Did you see that former sports reporter Carter Gaddis is going to speak to Dad2 Summit? Come, learn more about it. Carter was a reporter for more than 24 years, including covering the NFL and the Buccaneers, the MLB with the Rays, and the NHL with the Lightning. He will speak at the Dad2 Summit in January 30 through February 1, 2014, when we gather in New Orleans. Mostly, he just tells stories at this point. He's living proof that an American in the 21st century can be a fan of both NASCAR and NPR, can love Star Wars and Citizen Kane, can enjoy reading Tolstoy and Tolkien. Read more about Carter below.